anything you want. No popular, no regular, I know the dance start to good. Now you make sense in this time. Y'all not already, I better you take it down. Hold on, turn the look, the boss out the lamp, boy. Show them who knows. You were born from you before us.
Decades. This group is all set to take the stage and win it all. Ang Two Become One sina Jericho, Gab, John, AJ, Raver, Mickey, City, Jed, Nell, Gerald, John Lloyd, and Vina. Ready na sila to bring us everywhere we want with their exciting performance. Iikot tayo sa buong mundo with a show-stopping number choreographed by Japs of G-Force and with music mixed by Gab.
Wala na, panalo na kami. Huwag na kayo mag-effort. Group 2 all the way. Ito lang masasabi namin sa inyo. Pilap kayo.
Sama na sa biyahe kasama ang Two Become One. Isang special surprise na dapat niyong abangan. Up next na yan sa ASAP That's Christmas.
So, saan na nga tayo magki-Christmas? Baka abutan tayo ng Pasko dito ah.
Basta, gusto ko makita yung Taj Mahal. Great Wall. Guys, tara na. There are so many places to discover. Ang dami nun ah.
Eh di puntaan natin lahat.
2, 1.
Wow! Wow!
Alright.
Wow! And we are back with ASAP XV!
Alam mo, Gary, this
What?
truly has been a very, very special episode.
That's right.
Saya,
We have
hindi ba?
everything.
Yes, dapat lang kasi our kapamilyas, of course, deserve only the best. Diba?
That's right. And from one...
And speaking of that Christmas, it's time to announce the winning...
Let's do this, okay? Your second That's Christmas group is group number...
Is it here?
Ano to? Wait. Ano to?
The winner na to, di ba?
Winner na to?
Next
Ano ba?
week na lang yan, next week.
Winner na?
That's Christmas?
Andito yung
Di ba
number.
excited naman
gusto
kayo?
ng
Si
Anong
Leo.
nandito?
Wait daw, sabi
natin,
Winnie, wait,
Ito yung champion na to.
Champion na to?
Logis,
Champion
logis.
na to?
Oh, okay na, thank you guys.
Wala mga person, ha?
Number 2!
Sige na, kayo na panalo, kayo na.
Whatever.
Whatever.
Group number 2!
Magulo.
Congratulations!
Donate!
Magulo. Aabot sa korte to,
Ito yan, makikita nyo rin yung mga prizes. Enchon,
sa korte.
Enchon, katabi mo yung mga prize pero hindi ka nanalo.
Ipaglalaban namin, karapatan namin. Aabot sa korte to, nangangako kami.
Bakit nung nanalo tayo dati? Ano lang, wala. Trophy.
Ang galing naman, congratulations, but let's not forget.
Don't forget, ang Pasko, syempre, hindi na...
Bugoy!
I love you, Asap Expert!
Bugoy! Happy birthday, Sid! I love you! Nasaan na yung tropa mo?
Greets one and all a Merry Christmas and a God-filled New Year. We love you, Philippines. To the people of the United States, Australia, Europe, everywhere else in Asia, we love you. God bless you.